If your Samsung TV suddenly has a black screen, don't panic and definitely don't buy a new TV yet. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 4 fixes that actually work and have helped thousands of Samsung TV owners get their picture back. Let's start with the easiest fix first.
A Samsung TV black screen can happen for several reasons. Sometimes it's just a software glitch, other times it's an HDMI issue, incorrect settings, or even a backlight problem. The good news is that most black screen issues can be fixed at home without special tools. Let's get started.
The first fix is a complete power reset. Turn off your Samsung TV. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Now press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 30 seconds. This helps discharge leftover electricity stored inside the TV. Wait 1 full minute. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. If the screen comes back, the issue was likely a temporary software or power glitch. If not, move to fix number 2.
Sometimes the TV isn't the problem. An HDMI device can cause a black screen. Disconnect everything connected to your TV. That includes streaming devices, gaming consoles, cable boxes, and sound systems. Leave only the power cable connected. Turn the TV on. If the Samsung logo or menu appears, reconnect your devices one at a time until you find the device causing the issue. Also try a different HDMI port and inspect the HDMI cable for damage. Many black screen problems are solved at this step. Still no picture? Let's continue.
If you can faintly see menus or notice a dim image, picture settings may be causing the problem. Using your remote, go to Settings, All Settings, Picture, Expert Settings, Reset Picture. Confirm the reset. This restores all display settings back to factory defaults. If incorrect brightness, contrast, or picture modes were causing the issue, the display should return immediately. No luck? Let's try the most important test.
Your TV screen is black, but here's how to tell if it's actually still working. Turn on the TV, grab a flashlight, and get close to the screen in a dark room. Shine it right at the screen and look carefully. If you can see a faint ghost image behind the black, your backlight failed, but the LCD panel still works. No image at all? The problem's probably your main board, power board, or the panel itself.
Let's recap. Fix number 1, perform a full power reset. Fix number 2, disconnect all HDMI devices. Fix number 3, reset picture settings. Fix number 4, perform the flashlight backlight test. For most users, one of the first 3 fixes solves the problem quickly. If none of them work, there's a good chance you're dealing with a hardware failure. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Samsung TV troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.